Hey guys, well, I had so much fun making this soap. This is a soap containing aloe arborescens and a little bit of activated charcoal, as well as mulberry leaf powders, and of course our silk clients have let us know that this soap helps with acne, reducing redness, reducing swelling, and reducing those ugly red scars caused by pimples. This is really one of the funnest soaps that I enjoy making so much, and it's also one of our best sellers. So yes, we add a little bit of mulberry leaf powder just to make it look like aloe, just to give it that light green color. Look at that, it looks fabulous. Also add the activated charcoal, and that gives it a nice rich black color. And with this specific one, I've added some eucalyptus oil, just a dab of eucalyptus oil, to give it that nice minty eucalyptus smell. Just look at that beautiful black, rich black color. Pour it into the molds, and some of that, I used that small mold. This is just a sample. Look at those colors. So what do you think, guys? Let me know.